My husband and I both work. Is my money mine or his money, or do we have to share an account? Like, I don't even know if the Bible even addresses that, but it is a thing like, this is my money, this is his money. So, thoughts?
So the Bible doesn't directly address it, but indirectly I think it's there. Two become one. Mm-hmm. It's strange that two become one and two bank accounts don't become one. Like, you're mine and I'm yours, but what's mine is mine and what's yours is yours. This is fundamentally in conflict with the idea of unity in marriage. So, Scripture talks about how the wife, she has authority over her husband's body. The husband has authority over his wife's body, but like finances are totally separate. It creates a lot of conflict too. Statistically, this is kind of cool. There's an interesting study on this topic just published in 2022 in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology. It's called Pooling Finances and Relationship Satisfaction. And they actually pooled the results of 6 different studies, so it's kind of a meta-analysis, on couples who did and did not pool their finances. And the conclusions were, couples who pool their finances have greater satisfaction in relationship, are less likely to break up, and it's especially true of couples who have less money. Surprise. And it's especially helpful for couples in individualistic cultures like the US or UK as opposed to Japan, where they have more of a collectivist culture. And so that's an interesting real-world statement of like, hey, look, there's like a biblical thing that's kind of working. Surprise, surprise, Now, when you might not want to pool finances, if there's major addiction issues, if there's gambling issues, or if there's abuse issues that make it where at any moment you might have to flee, that's when you might start secretly keeping money aside so that you could support that possible thing, because that's a dangerous moment. You need to be able to have somewhere to go.
That's a really good point. I like that. All right.